Hey there, iPhone enthusiasts. If you're constantly battling with a low battery, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to turn on low power mode on iPhone in 2025. This nifty feature is a game changer for extending your battery life, especially when you're on the go. Low power mode intelligently reduces background activity, dims your screen, and optimizes performance without sacrificing too much functionality. It's like giving your iPhone a quick energy boost. First things first, let's get started. Grab your iPhone and unlock it. Now, open the Settings app. It's that gear icon on your home screen. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see Battery. Tap on that, and you'll be taken to the Battery menu. Here, you'll find the Low Power Mode option. It's usually right at the top. Just look for the toggle switch. To turn it on, simply tap the switch next to Low Power Mode. It should turn green, indicating it's activated. That's it, your iPhone will now start conserving power automatically. But wait, there's more. In 2025, iOS might have some subtle updates, like smarter battery suggestions, but the core process remains straightforward. For even quicker access, swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Look for the battery icon or low power symbol, tap it, and you can enable low power mode in seconds. This is perfect for emergencies when you're away from a charger. Why use low power mode? It can add hours to your battery life, making it ideal for travel, long days out, or when you forget your charger. Remember, while it's on, some features like email fetch might slow down, so turn it off when you're back to full power. There you have it. Turning on low power mode is simple and effective. Give it a try next time your battery is running low, and watch your iPhone last longer. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.